how are you hacking into your customer's phone or device? Now, here's what I mean. Everybody has, this is an iPhone, and you get these notifications all the time, right? The red dot, it lights up all these notifications. And what do people do? What do you do when you see that notification? You click on it and you see who it is that's trying to get your attention. You've got a message or something. It's a psychological trick that people play to get you to open up an app, okay? And so, oh, I've got this red notification. What is it? And you click on it and you see what it is. So what I'm proposing to you is, how are you getting into your customers' phones so they see that red dot, they want to click, and they want to see what you have to say? So as a restaurant, how can you do that? How can you make that red dot show up so people see what you're posting? Well, the number one thing that I do and that I help customers with is we do it through Messenger. Okay, and so inside this is Facebook Messenger, and we can send notifications right to that phone. What do you do when you get a notification in text or Messenger? You click on it to see who it is, what they're saying. Number two is text. Like I said, same thing. You get a text message, you're probably going to click on it and see what people are saying. The number three thing we do is email. So I don't have my email pulled up on here, but if I get a red notification, I look and see what is that email, what is someone saying. And so the more often you can get into people's phones and they can see your restaurant, so let's say this is Quartz Cafe, right? The more often they can see your name pop up through these notifications on your phone, the more top of mind you'll be. And so when they think about, where are we going to go out for dinner tonight? Where are we going to go to lunch? Oh, I just got a thing from Quartz Cafe. Let's go there. And that's just a psychological trick, how you can stay top of mind for your customers. And so in contrast, posting to Facebook is great. You should be posting to Facebook and Instagram. But to do that, someone has to click on the Facebook icon and then see your post out of all the other thousands of posts that are happening. Okay, so I hope that makes sense to understand, how can you get those red lights to light up on someone's phone so they see your restaurant. So that's my quick tip for today. Hack your customers' phones, get in there, make them pay attention to you, and that'll make a big difference on how often people come in to see you. So hope everybody's having a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.